Welcome to our annual Title I meeting, Hillview Elementary School. Jefferson County's strategic plan to enlighten, engage, and empower. Mission statement. The mission of Jefferson County School System is to ensure rigorous learning for all through engaging, innovative instruction, responsible resource management, and meaningful community and family collaboration focused on student success. Guiding principles. As a learning community committed to excellence, we believe in number 1, ensuring academic achievement for all. Number 2, using data to guide decision making and instruction. Number 3, engaging in collaborative partnerships. Number 4, supporting the continued professional development of all employees. Number 5, providing safe and secure facilities. And number 6, maintaining open communication. Why are we here? The Every Student Succeeds Act of 2015 requires that each Title I school hold an annual meeting of Title I parents for the purpose of informing you of your school's participation, explaining the requirements, and explaining your rights as a parent. What you will learn. What does it mean to be a Title I school? What is the 1% set aside for parent and family engagement? What is the Local Education Agency Title I Consolidated Plan? What is the LEA Parent and Family Engagement Plan? What is a CIP? What is a School Parent Compact? How do I request the qualifications of my child's teachers? You will also learn, how is the annual evaluation of the Parent and Family Engagement Plan conducted? Evaluations need to be targeted at 3 key components, which include barriers, ability to assist learning, and successful interactions. And how can you be involved in all of these things you're learning about? What does it mean to be a Title I school? Being a Title I school means receiving federal funding, Title I dollars, to supplement the school's existing programs. These dollars are used for identifying students experiencing difficulties and helping those students meet those needs, purchasing supplemental staff, programs, materials, and supplies, and conducting parent and family engagement meetings, trainings, and/or activities. Being a Title I school also means parent and family involvement and knowing their rights under ESSA. What is the 1% set aside and how are parents involved? Any LEA with a Title I allocation exceeding $500,000 is required by law to set aside 1% of its Title I allocation for parent and family engagement. Of that 1%, 10% may be reserved for the LEA for system-wide initiatives related to parent and family engagement. The remaining 90% must be allocated to all Title I schools in the LEA. Therefore, each Title I school receives its portion of the 90% to implement school-level parent and family engagement with clear expectations and objectives for meaningful involvement. You, as a Title I parent, have the right to be involved in how this money is spent. Our Parent Resource Room. Parent perception and needs surveys determine possible purchases for our Parent Resource Room. Surveys are available for you today. Please complete the surveys and leave them with your child's homeroom teacher. Parent Involvement Committee meets to review suggested purchases. The Parent Resource Room is located in Building Number 2 in the center of the 3rd and 4th grade classrooms. Items are available for checkout Tuesdays through Fridays from 2:30 to 3:00 p.m. What is the Local Education Agency Title I Consolidated Plan? The LEA Title I Consolidated Plan addresses how the LEA will use Title I funds throughout the school system. Topics include student academic assessments, additional assistance provided to struggling students, coordination and integration of federal funds and programs, school programs including migrant, preschool, English language learners, and homeless as applicable. Parent and family engagement strategies, which is included in the Parent and Family Engagement Plan. You, as a Title I parent, have the right to be involved in the development of the LEA Title I Consolidated Plan. What is the Local Education Agency Parent and Family Engagement Plan? This plan addresses how the LEA will implement the Parent and Family Engagement requirements of ESSA, Every Student Succeeds Act. It includes the LEA's expectations for parents and families, how the LEA will involve parents in decision making, how the LEA will work to build the schools and parents' capacity for strong parental involvement to improve student academic achievement. You, as Title I parents, have the right to be involved in the development of this plan. What is a CIP? The CIP is your school's continuous improvement plan and includes a needs assessment and summary of data, goals and strategies to address academic needs of students, professional development needs, coordination of resources, including a comprehensive budget, the school's parent and family engagement plan. You, as Title I parents, have the right to be involved in the development of this plan. What's included in the school's Parent and Family Engagement Plan? This plan addresses how the school will implement the Parent and Family Engagement requirements of Every Child Succeeds Act of 2015. Components include how parents can be involved in decision-making and activities, how parent and family engagement funds are being used, how information and training will be provided to parents, how the school will build capacity in parents and staff for strong parental and family engagement through evidence-based strategies. You, as Title I parents, have the right to be involved in the development of your school's Parent and Family Engagement Plan. What is the School Parent Compact? The compact is a commitment from the school, the parent, and the student to share in the responsibility for improved academic achievement. You, as Title I parents, have the right to be involved in the development of the School Parent Compact. Here are the components for the School Parent Compact. Number 1, the school must provide high-quality curriculum and instruction. Number 2, the school must hold parent-teacher conferences. Number 3, the school will provide frequent progress to parents about students' performance. Number 4, the school will provide parents with reasonable access to staff members. Number 5, the school will provide to parents opportunities to volunteer. And number 6, parental support and student responsibilities. The way our school distributed the compacts were they were sent home the first week of school on yellow paper. If you as a parent did not sign one, please see your child's teacher before leaving tonight. How do I request the qualifications of my child's teachers? You as Title I parents have the right to request the qualifications of your child's teachers. The way you can request the qualifications is by contacting us in the school office at 205-379-4050. How is the evaluation of the LEA Parent and Family Engagement Plan conducted? Evaluation requirements. LEAs in schools must actively outreach to all parents and families, reaching beyond barriers of culture, language, disabilities, and poverty. They must be conducted annually. They must be conducted with Title I parents. They are analyzed for their content and effectiveness. Barriers are identified to parents and family engagement members. The data may include parent surveys, parent involvement committees, parent advisory committees. This process generally takes 1 school year. The results from these evaluations are used to formulate the next year's plan. The parent leaders at Hillview Elementary School this year are Ms. Monica Germany, Ms. Ashley Wright, Ms. Claudia Lewis, Ms. Ashley Harris, and Ms. Asha Dangerfield. If you have any questions about this presentation, please call us at 205-379-4050. Thank you.